Hello everyone. What's up? Today we're playing Facade. Let's see if we can find Cindy. Slowly. What about in the S? Stacy, practice. Let's pick someone random. Here, Rachel. I ain't even mad. Alright, subtitles. On you go, and let's start. Chop chop. Stir up your ass.
Glasses?
What for?
That should be obvious.
Oh God, Trip, don't turn this into a big production, please.
Let's be an asshole.
Jesus
Allow?
Christ, come on, I'm not asking a lot here.
Allow.
Oh, she's here.
What? You told me to be an
Allow.
No, she's right on time.
God, Trip.
Let me in, bitch. Crazy.
Rachel! Hey, it's
Sup,
been too
D-Dog?
long. How are you doing? You look great.
Yeah, bitch. Stay out there.
No, here we are.
That ass.
Rachel. Hi, how
Hey,
are you?
Dad.
Oh, God, it's been such a long time.
That's funny, I said the same thing.
And I've got to say, you look
Damn,
really
that ass,
good.
Grace. You jelly, bro?
So come in, make,
Hell yeah.
Rachel,
Okay.
let me get you a drink. Ah, you need to help me break in my expensive new set of cocktail making accessories. Let's have something fun, like sangria. Well, I'm just gonna make us all some nice sangria.
Yes.
no. Rachel, maybe you'd like just a simple
Fine.
glass of white wine. Okay, good.
Allow. Trip. Oh,
So,
shit.
anyhow, we can indulge in my new cocktail accessories some other time. Grace, I assume you want your usual, a lovely, very cold glass of Chardonnay?
I don't feel like drinking tonight. Just some mineral water for me.
Put your hands
All
just
right.
go.
So, Rachel, I'm hoping you can help me understand where I went wrong with my new decorating.
It needs more dildos.
Well, it's impressive.
I like that.
Even after a full day's work designing magazine ads, Grace somehow finds the time to decorate.
Haha. I guess
Should
it's
Grace
just the artist in
go
me
die
dying
and
to get
fuck
out.
Here you are, Grace. Your drink is ready.
Thank you. So, about my
It
decorating.
Oh,
balls.
that's just a little
Fucking
joke advice
balls.
giver toy thing that I like to consult every now and then. When I need a little guidance.
His mother gave that to him.
What?
So I've been collecting these sculptures, but now when I look at them, they give me such a headache.
what? Give me the wine. Fucker, give me the fucking wine. Give me wine.
Oh, yeah. You know, I think
Give
I'll
me
fix
it.
your real drink. a little tomorrow.
Thank you, fucker.
Here you go. See, Grace? No one is complaining about your decorating. There's nothing wrong with it.
Trip, I can't
Grace.
explain it, but this room is just not working, okay? I'm going to return what...
That's,
You...
Sip, 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 sip. It's all down. All
Rachel.
down.
You had me going there for a sec.
With a wine penis.
Never afraid
Oh,
to push
shut
your luck. Put us on the spot.
Shut up, dude.
You're crazy, you know that?
Act like they've never been told to shut up before. Jesus, fuck.
Where is
Your ass. Ah.
her?
Ah, no.
You're being... It just occurred to me, we've gotta ask the...
The
Right.
doorman. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah.
Be sure they know that everything's okay.
Yeah.
What do you
Oh.
want?
Rachel,
Oh.
take a look at... Oh, I'll get it.
No, we
I
have a
got
guest. We
it,
can
I
let
got
the
it.
answering
Thank you,
machine
Dildo.
pick it up.
Mine. Out.
Grace?
Rachel.
Grace?
Hello.
No, please don't do that.
Who is
Yes.
this, Grace? Is that you?
Ugh, it's my dad. I can hear his voice.
I don't
Oh,
recognize
me,
your voice.
Grace.
Excuse me, I must
Okay,
have the wrong
he's
number.
being annoying as usual. Just
No.
hang it up.
Oh, I wanted to say
no,
hello.
we're entertaining a friend in our new apartment. The last thing I want to do is talk
I
to my
do.
parents.
Right
Yeah,
here.
no. Talking about my parents is just going to frustrate me. Well, we're all friends here.
Alright, I want Stefano. For now, Stefano.
Anyway, Trip, it's okay if we disagree in front of our friend.
Disagreeing? We're not disagreeing.
Stefano there. Ah, sound Stefano.
We're not.
And it's fucking whatever the hell this is.
Oh, that brass bull. That's a gift from my business contact
What is
in
it doing
Barcelona.
out here? Didn't I ask?
Yeah.
Speeder.
Oh,
I found Spider-Man.
Oh, please, go take a look.
Rachel, come on, you'll like this. Check it out.
Yes, go on, check it
This
out.
a
This is
monkey?
getting interesting.
What? Ask your fucking question.
Oh,
What
yeah.
do you want?
Rachel, careful, too many compliments can go to Trip's head.
Seems like an egg. Someone sat on it. What do you want?
Rachel, this is making you uncomfortable. See, Trip, was it really worth it to fly all the way to Italy so you could take that inane picture?
What?
Grace?
I'll take the picture down later tonight before I go.
This guy looks
Oh,
constipated.
I didn't think you cared to hear about our Italy trip.
Wrong spot. There, no.
Okay, well, I was worried there for a bit that you were on Trip's side
Shut up,
tonight.
man.
Ah, you're driving me insane! You're goddamn decorating. You're never
Yes,
satisfied with anything. You're never
man.
happy. Never, ever satisfied with anything.
Ugh,
Seriously.
Rachel,
You? You are a big dick?
Oh, yeah, you. I know what you'll say. How you keep bringing
Is
up
this a
my little
demon?
advice ball. God. Huh? What are you saying to me?
Demon.
Goddamn manipulation. Grace, I just want to be...
all right, yeah,
Get up.
fine.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? Rachel, I need to ask you something.
Trip,
Grace, let me ask our guest a question.
Steve.
Rachel,
Okay.
yes or
No.
no? Is it wrong for one person in a marriage to bring things up from the past that the other really wants to forget?
I mean, yes.
What? Oh, okay. Sure.
Yes, me.
Ugh, you think you're better than me, Grace. You had this rich upbringing and now you look down on me. How am I supposed to be happy like that, Grace? God damn it!
oh, yeah,
Love you,
good,
baby.
get out of my sight. I can't take you anymore. Oh,
And
God.
I can kiss everything. Can I kiss the wall?
Oh!
Whoa, I just walked through a wall.
Oh, shit.
I'm stuck. Oh. Let's pick up something. Dildo, come back here.
Rachel, Trip can just... All this stuff, having all this money makes us so happy. We're so happy, aren't we, Trip?
Jesus, what do you want? Now you're unhappy because
Water.
we're too well off?
Drink this water.
Rachel, isn't that ridiculous?
You're ridiculous.
Well, I mean, Grace, what do you want?
Nothing. I want,
You want to do
nothing.
that.
Let's keep talking about Grace. Grace, even though now you're a creative... All right,
What?
Rachel,
Aw,
that's it.
fuck you.
You've got to leave. Rachel, we're through messing around. You've got to go. God, I cannot believe
I want
this.
my stuff. So, you can't get me.
Rachel, this is so...
It's okay. I'll help you anytime. I meant time. Why is this a floating glass right here? It's floating! Check. Demon. Back here, stuff. Come on. Time, bro. Why you no talk? Why you no talk? Why you no talk? Oh wow. Fine, I'm just fucking stay here, stuff on. Die, bitching trucks. Why you no talk? Oh, thank you. No, it's fine. Bye, y'all. Can't walk. Yeah. What? Holy shit. Stay there. Close the fucking door. See. Hello? We're like dead or something. I don't even know. Alright everyone, well I hope you guys enjoyed this very weird episode. I'm going to replay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!